So we're going to continue on with working with points, plotting points. This lesson we're going to kind of do kind of the reverse. We have the points plotted. What we want to do is state the coordinates for each point. And when I ask you to state the coordinates, remember that's that ordered pair concept. What I have to do is identify that x coordinate and that y coordinate. So let's start with point A. So I need my parentheses there and my little comma. And what I need to do is identify what is the coordinates for this. So again, to do this, we start at the origin and we work our way to point A. So it looks like we have to move right 2, we have to move up. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So point A would be 2, 6. So that would be what we call the coordinates to point A. Point B, so I make my parentheses and a little comma. Again, I start at the origin. To get to point B, notice that we don't have to move right or left. We stay put. So the first movement, we don't go anywhere. That means we're going to use a 0 there. But then we have to move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a y direction. So our order of pair is going to be 0, 4. And again, you can reconfirm it. If you go back 0, 4, 0 says stay, and up 4, that does get you back to point B. So you can verify by actually just plotting that point. Point C. Point C, again, starting at the origin, I have to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, negative 5. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like a negative 5, positive 3. So point C is at negative 5, positive 3, negative 5, 3. Point D, again, point D, I don't move left or right, I just move down. Looks like I move down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0, negative 7 is point D. Point E, we'll do that over here. Point E is located here. Point E, I got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to the right. But then I don't move up or down. I'm just staying put. So point E has the coordinates 10, 0. I have a point F still. So let's do that one. Point F. Point F, again, starting at the origin, I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 5 to the left, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down. So it looks like a negative 5, negative 9. So negative 5, negative 9 would be the coordinates of point F. Again, those coordinates are written as an ordered pair, so it's important to use those parentheses and that comma. That's kind of the notation that we use for that. And point G, looks like that's the last one. Point G, again, to identify the coordinates, we start at the origin, and we have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to the left. And then there's not an up and down movement, so negative 9, 0. Negative 9, 0 would be that ordered pair. So again, you can kind of pick up on these. A is in the first quadrant, B is on the y-axis, C is in the second quadrant, E is on the x-axis, F is in the third quadrant, and G is also on the x-axis. Also, point D it's actually still on the y-axis, so we have 2 points on the y-axis as well there. Okay? So again, just reiterating that vocabulary that you keep on hearing it. Okay? Again, that coordinate plane is the surface, and it's a 2-dimensional surface, and we need an ordered pair, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, to identify points on this coordinate plane. Okay? Stay tuned.